never filmed myself eat before. First time for everything. Delish. Eggplant Parm Hero. Delish. Not bad. Now this lens has a filter on it. It's a 1/8 Pro-Mist Black Pro-Mist filter from Tiffany. Good sandwich. Now the question is, should I eat the other half? There was a time when I would have. Well, I'm gonna save it. So when Lynn comes home, she can have it. And I think after 5 minutes, I'm probably not gonna be hungry anymore. So I'm gonna close up the eggplant parm. Like so. Put it in the refrigerator. And then I'm going to take this footage upstairs in the computer and see what the hell it looks like. I'm looking at through the control app from Sony. I'm looking at myself here wirelessly. So you got to film yourself, or you're going to be on a set and you got to walk around just light so you can do it. What the hell is this thing? I was using the red cameras before. I had a Red Raven. That wasn't. They didn't have a system like this. You had to invest in a higher end wireless type of thing. This is free. I mean, it's pretty insane. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Take it from there.